Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and taking good care of your health and having good time with your family. And how is everything going? What had you done for your weekend? How was your weekend? It's been so long since I didn't come to my YouTube videos because I was not keeping a bit well, so I had little throat pain and cough and cold. So, but now I'm feeling little better, and so I said, oh, I should come and do a vlog now. So I said, okay, let's hop on and start going. As the weeks are going so fast, and spring has started, and we had to change our clocks because of spring. We became 1 hour ahead, and we are behind by 12 and a half hours from India time. So hope everyone is doing well in India too, and many people must have got their vaccinations. I'm planning to get my vaccination, but it's been fully booked everywhere wherever I'm calling. So that's been the case, but still I'm waiting for the school year to end, and then we all can get it together, and it'll be great to have a good vaccination, and we can travel anywhere, and we can go to India or any other places where we had thought and we had not traveled by. So let's hope and pray for the best. I think the alarm is doing chi chi chi. I think I need to change my batteries. There's so much of brightness today in the house, and see, it's beeping so much. I need to change its battery upstairs. So this is how it had been, and see the reflection. It's so bright and a nice day. The skies are so clear. It's all nice, clear skies. If you can see, the sun is shining so bright, and it's a good reflection on the cars, and there's no snow. What a happy day. So here's the snow, which is still not melted well, and here it looks like this. We are just heading out to get some gas and to get one errand getting done. Just for one work, I'm going out. It's so cloudy weather. Just look at the skies. It's so cloudy. Oh, I love these homes so much. They're so good and big. One day even I'll have a big house. Rented apartments are okay, but big homes are much, much, much better. These are very good apartments. I had seen once, but their rent is like 2,000, 2,400 for 2 bedrooms. So here, this is the downtown Parker. Very nice place. I love this place. It's good for walks and all. I miss coming here because I don't come much of here now these days. It's a beautiful place downtown. And here's the nice old Brian Park. It was so good to come here and watch the kiddos play, but now nobody is here much. Nobody is using parks much, and the life has changed so much in the past year. You'll find flags of everything over here. I love this place also because it has all the flags of most of the things. My favorite Chipotle is here. India's Kitchen is here. If anybody comes from India and want to eat Indian food, India's Kitchen is here. What kind of a truck is this? I have no idea what it is, and if anyone knows, just let me know in the comments below. It's leaking out so much of water also from, and it's going very slow now. I'll have to drive slow because of this person, but it's okay. Oh, it's become red light. No worries. Yesterday I had been out, but I could not go to Costco to fill the gas because it was snowing suddenly and it was very cold weather. So I said, okay, I'll do it next time, because there was still little gas in the van, and I said, okay, it's not urgent. So I didn't go to the Costco gas to fill my gas. So let's do some cooking, friends, today. So I'll make some nice spinach fried rice. So let's get started. So here I'm going to saute it for 5 minutes, and here I'm adding oil, like 4 or 5 spoons. So here I've taken some cumin seeds and some mustard seeds. Just added them in the oil. So I'm just cut one onion, and I'll just saute it till it becomes a little brown and translucent. Over here I've taken a piece of ginger. So just chop some ginger also, it will give a very good flavor. Over here I have some green chilies, and these are spicy green chilies. So I'm just chopping it roughly into small pieces. And depends, if you like spicy, add these, otherwise no need. These are optional. This is the spinach which I just had pureed it and kept it to make tortillas and all. So I'll just add this and make it a good flavored rice, and it is called spinach fried rice. So here I have taken 2 cups of rice. I have washed it well. Now I'm adding a spoon of salt, because in spinach there was no salt at all. Over here I'm just adding half a spoon of paprika powder, because we have already added green chili. So here these are boiled soya chunks, which look very good in the fried rice. So I'm adding 3 cups of water. So I'm just stirred it once, and now when it gets cooked, it will come out so yum. It looks good, smells good, and it will taste so good. So now I'll just close it, I'll seal it and keep it on rice mode, and it will be done in 12 minutes. So here the rice came out so well. Let's transfer it and have our lunch. Oh, it looks so good, smells so good. So here's the lunch plate with nice yummy rice, with yogurt and with cucumbers. So I hope you liked this clips and today's blog, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And this beeping sound, I think, will keep on doing beeps till I don't change the battery, and it'll then become all right. So friends, if you have liked it, like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you have not followed me yet on Facebook and TikTok and Instagram, please follow there also, and let's become a big family soon. Thank you for watching. Love you all.